Welcome to Presentation Pro. I created new PowerPoint and have placed some related images, gradient background and colors. Now I will pick one color gradient background and use shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the image. Then insert new layout and remove unwanted text boxes. Right-click to select Format Background and click Picture option and select Clipboard to change background using copied image. Insert new box and click Ctrl, left mouse button to duplicate into 4 boxes. Then do alignment in 4 slides of slide. Insert new box to align small boxes as grid to create workspace. Remove unwanted boxes. Change box color to white and reduce transparency to 90% and change to no line. Duplicate same boxes to fix it on left top of the slide for logo and bottom left for page number. We can create left side design, insert new box, duplicate it into 4 times and distribute vertically and align to left side of the box. Reduce the width and duplicate it one more time for extend the width. Change colors to dark to less visible. We can move the image and fix its same height and correct ratio. Again, we can duplicate the photo's ADN, fix it into height and change to image color to purple theme. Insert new text box to update heading, letter and replicate same procedure to others. Ctrl D to duplicate the same slide and apply brighter vision light. Change photo, text and box colors. Then we can create right side design. Insert new box, edit shape to change top 2 rounded corners, and rotate the box. Duplicate text box to change section 01 and do it same as other 3 section. Copy the same part to paste into slide 2 and remove colored boxes. Duplicate slide 2 into 4 times and place large image into right side of each slide. After content part, insert heading, box and text boxes to fix it in between space. Each slide remove section text and paste its solid box design from slide 6. Finally, add animation to wipe, and change direction left to right and add animation. Go to slide 6, copy bright section heading to move each slide to paste it align into each boxes from slide 2 to 5. To right and add animation, fly in, to people photo. Text boxes to add same wipe animation to left to right. Select all animation to click, after previous, to display it one by one. Copy the content parts and paste into each slide to update heading, text. Remove unwanted slides and update slide number to match with slides. Not we can display the final presentation. Thanks for support. Please share your comments and query in comment section.